Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here somewhere really cool and beautiful spot where it has so much ducks. As you can see, there's so many ducks right here in the water. There's white ducks and black ducks. Most of them are black and some of the birds are here. And it's so beautiful. It has some boats and ships that you could use. And it's so much ducks here that I can see over here. The water. Wow, so beautiful.
Hey guys, so today we're here with the ducks and stuff. So there's a lot of ducks you can see. We can't even catch any of them. There's a lot of them. And there's a boat over there. You can see. There's a big boat and everywhere. And
It's really beautiful here.
yeah, it's so cool and beautiful here. And that's my sister. I came here with my family, and that's my mom. And there's a lot of people. It's a huge people and cars
There's a
and stuff.
huge boat and huge ship that you
Yeah.
could use. You could do
There's
picnics
a
here.
dog.
Or you could use any of them. I think you could, but I don't know.
That's the white and black. Kind of brown.
Color.
Yeah, they can even talk. Like they make a sound a little bit. And they're flying. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. We can't even catch any of them. It's a lot of. It's coming from over there and over there. Oh, there's a lot of them. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, put notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs if you like that, please. Bye.